Hey guys, it's been a few months since I've done an EDC update, but I figured better late than never, right? So let's just get right into it. This isn't everything I carry on me all at once, it's just the items I pick and choose from that more or less on a daily basis. Let's start over here. We have my personal vaporizers. This one is the Brass King with an IGO L. This is my bottom feeding one. It's the Bogger Box with Canary Wood and Cocobolo, and I had to modify this to make it work. I do have a Rio on the way, but that's for another time. And my all-day vape flavor is Mad Murdoch's Fluid. Next up, my watch. Yeah, same watch as always, the one I use for work, and with it is a Steel Flame Molly clip with the Winged Crusader, which is my favorite. I always have a notebook on me. This is a mini composition notebook with a custom leather cover with a Steel Flame Bushido snake tag. And I sent it back to get a grommet added because it would always slip out of my back pocket. I did get a new Steel Flame kill box. This one is the heated copper with the bronze baling. That's the same leather cord I've always had on it. I always wear my leather bracelet just for fun. It's the first one I ever stamped and cut and everything, so that's kind of special to me. With my notebooks, I always carry pens. Pilot G2 is probably my go-to ink at this time, other than fountain pens. But with work and everything, these just work out better. This is a newer one. It's called the Monteverde Tool. I like it a lot because, let's see, it has the stylus, and if you unscrew the stylus, there's a flathead screwdriver. Let me see if I can get that. And a Phillips driver bit under there. There's also a level right here. And then there's measuring things in 4 different scales. And then if you twist this tip, the pen. So that one's really cool. I just got it like maybe 2 days ago. My pepper spray. It's the Kimber one with the custom Kydex sheet that you've seen before. The reason I picked this one is because it's just the ease of carry. Put this aside. My MP3 player is a Sansa disc. I use this when I'm out jogging or going to the gym. Earbuds from JVC. I think it's the gummy ones, and I made this little leather holder thingy for it. Lip balm. Burt's Bees in the tin is my absolute favorite. I've had that one for over a year now. My wallet. Big skinny, nothing different, everything's the same. I still carry 2 bandages and 2 alcohol wipes in there, and it comes in handy. My light, it's the Olight i2 EOS. Nothing has changed about that. I think the biggest change, well, let's start over here first. My keys are still the same, couple Steel Flame tags, this titanium pry tool that I use at work a lot. Afonso from Rocket World with Tad. This little, what's it called? Chainmail thing that my friend Corny made. House keys, car keys, and the Tech glow fob. My lighters. These are the newer ones. I have a Gathering one. This one was a gift from a friend in Canada, and this one was from a giveaway at a local get-together. This one is the brass one. I use a Thunderbird insert with it, with the regular soft flame. And then my challenge coins, I did get a newer one. This one is from Gathering 5 with the Usual Suspects network, and my personal Mushbot Minions one. And then the biggest changes would be the knives that I carry. I choose from one of these 5 on a daily basis. This one is the Usual Suspects Network Enduro. So it has a little logo there. This one was a gift at the last get-together I was at. It's really nice toxic green and everything. This is the Mayo TNT. Well, the Buckbale TNT. This one is super special. I went to my first USN gathering the past weekend, and I won the Emerson lottery. This is called the Conjurer, made by his son, or designed by his son Lucas. It is the prototype. I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but not only did I win the lottery, but my friends had rushed up to pay for it and then gift it to me, so this one's a keeper for sure. And then the next morning, Steel Flame added the Crusader clip. The Crusader and the Winged Crusader are my absolute favorites designs from Steel Flame. And to make things better, I got the Grizz thumb disc, which has the knurling on the side, and you can only get that. I just know it's special. The 45 Auto from Federal. The other one I usually pick up, depending on where I'm going, is the Spider Coast Squeak. Cute little knife. Take it when I'm at anywhere where, I don't know, sheeples are around, I guess. Slip joint, small blade, so it's not likely to get me in trouble anywhere around here. And lastly, the Rexford Rut, or RUT. It's a little tool, pocket tool with a razor blade, or utility blade. I can't do it one-handed, but it's basically kind of like a frame lock. You press down right here, and then you can extend this blade and it'll hit the little notches. I have the Lennox gold and titanium blades in there. Yeah, that pretty much covers everything. Trying to keep this fairly short. I don't think that worked, but yeah, this is everything I've been picking from for the past month or so. A couple things on the way, but not too much. And that's very much it. Thanks for watching. Take care.